Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Magic Eraser tool. First, this is the picture we will edit. As you can see, this is a flower with a white background. We need to remove the background so we can use it with the PowerPoint that we are teaching. This is another picture of pencils, and we will remove the white background. I will show you an example how it will be after we finish editing it using the Magic Eraser tool. Let's first we will open PowerPoint. We will add a background. Okay, this is our PowerPoint. I will try inserting those two pictures. Those two images, as you can see, I'm analyzing now. They will look like this, but I want my presentation to be more professional and better looking without the white background. I will use the Magic Eraser tool. First, I will go to my web browser. It can be Google Chrome or Edge or Safari, Opera, Firefox, whatever. I will go to Magic Eraser tool. As you can see, this is the site gifgit.com/image/Magic Eraser tool. First, I need to scroll down and choose a file from my computer. I would go to desktop. On my desktop, as you can see, those are the pictures. I will go with the pencils, I think. I'll press launch editor. Okay, this is the picture. It's very big. I'll try to zoom out. I'll select resize. 50%. Still big. 25%. Okay, this is my picture. I just can use the Magic Eraser button. Press on the white background, and as you can see, those squares, gray and white squares, represents the transparent background. And I will choose this one, and it's done. If you can see the edges of the picture, it will still be white. The Magic Eraser tool will not remove those white backgrounds, so I will use my normal eraser. Each time I select a tool, a refresh will happen, so it's normal. I will select the edges. After finishing, we can just download the image, and here it is. As you can see, there are still some edges, so we can re-edit it. It's over here, I think. So it's done. I'll try importing it. There are more than one way to import the picture to our PowerPoint. Simply, we can go for documents. Download, sorry. Okay, here's our final picture. I will drag and drop it on my PowerPoint. As you can see, this is the difference. Okay, this is another picture. I'll try removing this. Here it is. This is the difference between two pictures, so I can simply choose whatever picture I want. And now I will do the pencil picture. Here's the pencil picture. I can leave the size of the picture the same and select the magic eraser tool. Okay, it's done. Now I will download my picture, check it, that's good. I can also drag and drop it from the Chrome browser to and here's my finalized picture. Thanks for watching. This is all about the magic eraser tool. There's a lot of more tools inside the site that we have edit our photo.